Rickshaw.
I will pay you. Okay.
Thank you for your help.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
And I will pray for you, your future, and I hope you will be success in your life.
Yes, thank you. You're helping, and I will be try to grow up, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And
Thank you so much.
I will continue contact with you. Please don't angry for about that, because I need to direction for me, because you're my director.
Okay, thank you so much.
So when you need any kind of help from me, please
sure.
just make a call. I will become live.
Okay, of course. Okay,
And
inshallah.
thank you. Can I
sure.
get a hug, please? I love you. Daud Kim. Allah Hafiz. And Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam. Okay, see you.
Yeah, thank you.
Allah Hafiz.
See you.